I couldn't believe how much this video has earned since it was published. So we'll just get into it. I have like very few minutes to shoot this video. Let's get right into my screen recording. So the title of the video is The Natural Beauty Crisis of Black Women. Cumulatively, in comparison to my other videos, this video hasn't done very well. You see it's 668 views and you see the arrow pointing down. It's gray. It's like, oh, people aren't watching so much. So far this video has gotten 45 hours watch time. So you can see it. This particular video is the blue line and my typical performance is the gray one. Audience retention, that's the average view duration since it was published, is about 4 minutes. The entire video is about 9 minutes long, so that's 33%. So these are key moments for audience retention. At about, oh my goodness. Now, if you're a content creator on YouTube, you would understand how important the first 30 seconds of your videos are. The first 30 seconds is how YouTube measures whether or not people are still going to engage your video. It's different from the average view duration. The average view duration means in total, in average. For this particular video, I had 66% of people still watching, which is typical, but I have hit 80-90% before on my other videos. So real time, about 2 people have watched in the last 48 hours, which is small, but it's something. It's still a number increase. But this is the thing about YouTube. I know some creators at this point will be like, oh, this video is not doing well, I might want to delete it. People have different things for measuring videos that are not doing well. For some people, if a video has not gotten up to 1,000 views within a particular time frame, they think it's not successful or they think it's not going to do well. If you're on YouTube, listen, do not delete your videos. I have seen firsthand where a video just starts very small, 2-3 weeks later, 2-3 months later, it just boom, it could become your best performing video. So don't let these metrics deceive you. This video was shown to 7.2 thousand people. That's what impressions mean, the number of people that YouTube showed your video to. The impression click-through rate, as a CTR, is about 6.8%. It's not bad. That's why I said you can't tell with YouTube. Once your CTR hits 5%, it is considered good and the video stands a chance to be promoted. But I don't know, this video got 6.8%, yet it didn't do so well. The AVD was not so bad. I mean, we're talking 33%. But it is what it is. So how viewers found this video? The browse features 60.2%, suggested videos 16.5%, channel pages 10.5%, end screens, that's my videos that I use this particular video for end screen, got about 5.2%, and then other means about 7.6%. What else am I missing? Let's get to it very quickly. As I said, I don't have a lot of time to do this video. The unique viewers, we have 579 people that are not subscribed to my channel watching this video, and that's pretty interesting because the entire view that the video got is 660 something, and we have 500 and something people who are not subscribed to my channel watching the video. That means like 90% of people who watch this video are not subscribed to my channel. YouTube search items, there's not enough traffic data to show this report, which makes me wonder, it's been 69 days since I published this video, so what does it take to have the data available? Top 5 videos are all mine. They're all my videos, so it seems like my videos are doing the heavy lifting. Mostly what happens is you would see other people's videos that are promoting your video around here, but I don't know what's going on. Maybe that's why the video did not do so well after all. I mean, if it were promoted on other people's channels, it means it's exposed to a different crowd, a different audience. But if it is my people seeing my videos, it's going to be like inside the same cocoon. These are the top 5 videos that are suggesting this video heavily right now. This is something I want to tell YouTubers or content creators that are very serious. Please take your analytics serious. So if you don't know how to interpret your analytics, you need to take a moment to do a little bit of research. The engagement, as this video has earned me 5 new subscribers, and this is audience by watch hour. New viewers are 38%. Wow, That's a lot, 38.6. Then people who are just casual viewers, 59.9%. I think that's the heavy weight lifters. And then people who usually watch my videos, that's 1.6%. It's small, low. It's small, low. Okay, let's see what devices people were using to watch my video. Device type, mobile, 72.1%. Okay, this device type affects your revenue. If you have more people watching you on computers and tablets, you are likely to earn more. So on mobile, I got 72%. Well, that's heavy. Computer, just about 15%, and tablets, 7.1%, and on TV, 5.9%. This is another factor. Because this video got about 600 views, doesn't mean that every video that gets 600 views is going to earn about the same money. No, that's not how it works. This is just what I earned on this particular 600 views. Another person on another channel could get 600 views and earn more or less. And these are the reasons why people are likely to earn more or less. The gender, I can't even believe that this information is not available. Anyway, top geographies. We have US number 1, South Africa number 2, UK number 3. This is another reason why the video is likely. So if the video were to earn $1, this is the reason why it would give me $3 or $4 more, because we're talking US, South Africa, the UK. Top 5 countries you should always go for when you're making your content: US, UK, Canada, Australia. Oh, look, there's Nigeria on the list. Nigeria, just 2% of people watched my video from Nigeria. Not bad. Please, though, more Nigerians, people should watch my videos. I mean, everybody around the world should watch my. In fact, once my video pops up on your homepage, please watch it. I love you. Now to why we are here. The revenue. How did I make my money? Watch page ad fetched me 96% of the revenue that this video has earned. YouTube Premium, not more, just 3%. This video has earned $3.52, less than 1,000. That's just about 600 views. Now that's something. My RPM, revenue per 1K views. If I got up to 1,000 people watch this video, I would earn $5.28 on every 1,000 views. The RPM is not so high. Yeah, the RPM for this particular video is not high at all. Of course, for RPM, some determining factors are your niche, the title of the video. So you could be in a very high earning niche, and the title of your video would bring it down. That's how it works. Sometimes you could also be in some really low earning niches and your title could jazz things up. I have had some videos that have gotten over 1,000 views earn about the same money as this one. And I think it's because I talked about the Black community. At the end of the day, it's the algorithm's choice whether or not to promote your video. So how much advertisers pay? $9.40. But after they paid, YouTube took their cut and then gave me my cut. So after their cut was taken, my cut was remaining $3.50 something cents. Is it worth it? Do you think it was worth it? Is it something you would do a video for? Like, if you knew that a video was going to earn about $3.54, would you still make that video? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think.